This is one of those communities where not a lot comes on the market. Very low turnover in one of the most desirable locations in all of Wilmington. And I know, because I used to live just down the road. This is Shinnwood West. And it's even more exciting than ever because there is a brand new 25-acre park going in right next door. So this is the time to get in. Check out 1912 Fernwood Way. All right, when you step inside, immediately you'll notice just how open this floor plan is. You got hardwood floors spanning the entire first floor here. Guest bedrooms on this side, master bedroom here, tons of space. Again, light and airy. The living room flows right into the dining room and right into the kitchen. True single level living. Over here, access to the utility, garage, and laundry. And then into the kitchen where you have tons of countertop space and an island, subway tile backsplash, a window that looks out into private green space back there. But my favorite part here is this oasis of a sunroom, a true Four Seasons room with some of the best bird watching that you can ask for. Oh, it's a yellow-rumped warbler.